Huh? Well, all right then. Oh, Susanna, just off that old piano, my hands are itching for those keys. Troubles will go winging the moment we start singing all our favorite melodies. Let's get the gang around that used to hang around, and when the neighbors hear me singing tenor, they'll forget about Cantor and Mr. Penner. Oh, Susanna, I'll let you sing soprano. Come on, baby, dust off that old piano tonight. Yeah. Oh, dust it off. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. Ain't y'all got no rags around here? Y'all used to have plenty rags. Yeah. Well, dust it off, baby.